Let's go to the restroom. Not the baby. That's why we are here. Mama, come. Oh yeah, go, go, go. Wait, wait. Mama, come. I got the door to close. Agrippa, you're in that toilet. You're messing like this. Don't touch anything. Yes, go. I know if you use them. It's too rough. That man's too rough. Go, go, go. We should go quick now. Let me go to the other restroom. They are not going upstairs. Yeah, go and sit down. I'm going to look for another restroom, and the place is far. They messed everything. Lydia. Permiso. See our train, be like flat. It's fine. Down, the beginning. I think one is here. One are they here? Yeah, this one is better. You see how to use the public restroom? I'm done. Ta-da! Yes, baby. Only the place fine.